Welcome to Cooking in the Coots. Today we're gonna cook beer can chicken with Angry Hen beer. Angry Hen beer. Awesome, from Kaslo. This is Shirley, everybody. Hi Shirley, and this is Shirley's stein right here. And cheers Shirley. Okay, beer can chicken. Chicken. Spices, lovely spices, culinary conspiracy. So we have a little recipe here we're gonna follow. You have to make sure that you have the umami factor. What do you guys think? Little Red Hen, Struttin' Stout, Old Bitch. Yeah, okay. We're going Old Bitch, here we go. This one, big ass beer, size of my head. Ooh, that's nice. That is one gentle bitch. First thing, drink beer. That's what it said. Drink half the beer. Cheers, shirt. Nice. You know what's really great is this beer. Look at my shirt. Oh my god, this is hard to open too. We're gonna put the rub on the chicken. Woohoo, chicken! Remember that umami factor is so important. Yeah, look at this. It's gonna be great. Get your heart out, Julia Childs. Sure, cute little legs. Look at these little guys. Okay, I've been art directed that I need to drink more, so. Beer. No, chicken. Chicken. Beer and can. Now we're gonna put the chicken on the beer can. Okay, here we go. Beer can and chicken. Ah! We have a little oversight. We can't even grab it. Things aren't working? There's always a pot. Here, it is now beer can chicken in a pot. Yeah. Real Ramon. Fantastic chicken. We got beer can chicken from Angry Hen Brewery in Kaslo. So let us know what your beer can chicken turns out like. Send us your recipe, send us your video. I'd love to see it. Hopefully it looks a little better than this one. And Angry Hen beer for more than just chicken.